Welcome to this video tutorial. In this video tutorials we will touch some of the things that we have learned during the different units of statistics too. So I recommend you to pause the video and read carefully the statement, and then after that I will develop the solution. In this case we are interested in knowing if a new specific that has been prepared by a pharmaceutical laboratory can reduce the time in days to recover from a flu. This is estimated in 8.3 days. We know that the distribution is normal, but we don't know the variance of the distribution. So we have a sample of 7 patients, and once they have used this new specific, the mean recover in time has been 8.1 days with a standard deviation of 1.04, and we had to do the test with a significance level of 1%. So we are interested in checking if the null hypothesis, we can say that the population are going to maintain the recovery time in 8.3, or this time is going to be reduced, so if the mean will be lower than 8.3. So as you know, if we use the test statistic and we standardize the sample mean, this will be a normal 0,1 if the variance is known, but in this case we don't know the variance of the population, so we have to estimate it using the sample variance. So we are not going to go to the normal 0,1, we will have to check that in a TS student. So if the statistic is lower than the point in a TS student with 6 degrees of freedom that accumulates 1% of probability in the lower tail is lower, we will reject the null hypothesis. As in this case, as the value is equal to minus 0.2 divided by 0.393, and this value is not lower than minus 3.14, that is the critical value, we cannot reject the null hypothesis, so we can say that this new specific coming from this laboratory are not going to improve or reduce the time in recovering from a flu.